Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get going with today's video, I want to help save you guys money on what is one of all of our biggest expenses as rideshare drivers. Fuel, right? Costs us thousands of dollars each year fueling up our vehicles, and now you can save money. All you have to do, go to the video description below. There's a link there for the GetUpside app. You're going to click that, download the app on your phone, and then you go fill up. You're going to save 15 cents per gallon. You'll continue to save on all of your fuel fill-ups nationwide. You can't do it retroactively though, right? Once you download the app, you can't go back and use our promo. You have to download the app using our link in the video description below. So go, video description below, click it, download the app, save money on all of your fuel fill-ups. All right, let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get started with today's video, I want to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers out there. I think we're almost at 40,000 subscribers, so big round of applause to you guys. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. And if you take anything away from today's video, feel free to share it with your friends, family out there, other rideshare drivers, or actually anyone that could benefit from this. And I'm going to tell you why you should share this video in just a minute. So today we're talking about the GetUpside app, and I'm going to do a little review on it. I'm going to start doing a screen recording here. There we go, we're recording. Alright, so yeah, GetUpside app. Basically the deal is, if you haven't downloaded it yet, not only is it great for all rideshare drivers, all gig economy workers, but really for everyone, because the gist of it is you get cash back on all of your fuel fill-ups. And not only fuel fill-ups, but they've also expanded that to groceries as well as restaurants, which I'm going to show you here in the app today as I kind of go through it. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can go to the video description below. There's a link there. Click on that, download the app, and you can get right to saving money on all of your fuel fill-ups. So let's take a look at this. Right now, home screen here, right, shows you a map. You can see at the top here, I have a 20 cents per gallon bonus included in my next offer. And so basically the map is interactive like most maps would be, so you can go and search different areas, and basically the gas stations that they have a relationship with, they will pop up, right, and you can see what kind of money that you would get back. So like this random Shell station that I selected here, I would be able to get 40 cents off a gallon cash back of regular. So it's usually $2.30. I can get it for $1.90, which is better than the going rate at any gas station in my area without using the GetUpside app. So so then you would hit claim, right, and it'll pull this up. Purchase before time runs out. Okay, get out of here. Cool. And then I have 4 hours until that offer expires. So basically, you're going to do this before you go to gas stations. You're going to find the gas station that you're going to fill up at. Choose which one you want. Okay, you can upload receipts. Let's see, what else? So easier than that, however, is if we go at the top here, click on those three lines, kind of the menu, and you go to My Wallet. You can put your credit cards in there, and that way anytime that you make a purchase, it'll automatically reflect your purchases in the app, so you don't have to go through and claim like that. Alright, you can fill out your profile. Let's see what's on my profile here. Perhaps. Okay, email, gas type. You can put your promo code in there. And let's see. Yeah, there you go. So you want to put in the promo code, obviously. That's how you're going to get your initial fuel fill-up rewards, which I believe is 15 cents off per gallon initially. And then, yeah, you want to, so here, check this out. Here's the cool thing about it. Taking a look at this, right? So each time you buy your friend gas plus 15 cents, okay, Okay, there you go. So reading through this, I didn't even know how this worked exactly. But here's what I do know is that you can stack these rewards, right? So essentially, if you're referring friends and family, whoever, they're going to get 15 cents off their first fuel fill up. You're going to get 15 cents off and when they use it. And you can see your invite code there, right? You can easily share that with the little square, whatever, share button that is. And you can stack those rewards. So it's kind of limitless. You can use that invite code, send it to a ton of people, and who doesn't want to save money on their fuel fill-ups, right? So then essentially when you're doing this and you're fueling up, what's going to happen is you're going to get that cash back. It's going to go into your account, see where it says cash out there, and you're going to see that money stack up. You can easily cash out that money in the way of gift cards, and you can also send it directly to PayPal as well if you wish. Or you could do a paper check. That would take... That is wow, that is old school. Mail a check. I would recommend PayPal, or yeah, you can easily cash those out in any of these great gift cards. So, highly advantageous app. It was a great idea. All they had to do is get a bunch of gas stations on board, and why not? Those gas stations are gaining business by having people go to them. So, cool. All right, and then, all right, so that's pretty much the gist of that. Now, if we look at, right, you've got gas, which we can click on, but they've also added restaurants and groceries, which I have not used yet. But if we take a look at restaurants, see what's going on in the area. Popeye's Louisiana Chicken. Apparently, that is the go-to restaurant here. But, again, 15% cash back. And let's go ahead and click claim on that guy. You can get up to $20. Yeah, so you're getting cash back, and hopefully this continues to expand. Let's see what the groceries is about. I haven't checked that out yet. No grocery stores in the area yet. Let's see if there's another area for groceries. Nope, nothing yet. So that's not in my area yet, but I'm going to keep you updated on that as to when it is. Maybe it's in yours, though. Check it out. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to show you guys on this? Claimed offers, my referrals. So it's pretty straightforward. My claimed offers. But the gist of the reason why I wanted to tell you guys, because if you're going to be filling up for fuel anyway, you might as well get that money in cash. I mean, essentially, this money's coming straight back to you. So the price that you see for those, for your fuel fill-ups, that's what you're going to be paying essentially. You get that cash back. And then again, if you're referring friends and using your referral code, you can stack those rewards. I've seen it to where you can have money in the bank, so you're actually getting paid. True story. You'll actually get paid to go and get gasoline. So if gas costs $2.50 and your rewards have stacked so much, you can make back like $3.50 a gallon. Crazy, right? So I highly recommend using the GetUpside app. Again, if you haven't downloaded it yet, that's okay. We have a link in the video description below. You can click on that. You'll get 15 cents off on your initial fill up, and then start referring your friends and get more money on your fuel fill ups. All right, you guys, that's what I've got for you. If you've used the GetUpside app at all and you have any thoughts or feedback on it, get down in the comment section below. Get at me. Let me know what your thoughts and feedback are. That's what I got for you guys. All right, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub, and until the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.